Good morning. It is Thursday, April 3rd, and we are going to spend the day together. How exciting. It's a weekday, which means I'm working, but you can't work on an empty stomach. Let's make breakfast. I'm gonna have a little bowl of grapes, and then I'm gonna make me a cereal. A cereal, girl? A bowl of cereal. And then I also have a Mighty applesauce pouch because these pouches have fiber in them and your girl needs it. This is my little worker's nook and so cozy over here. I have several meetings today and an audit to work on. Busy day. I'm also gonna try to eat 3 meals today. I don't know how that's gonna work out because 3 meals is a lot. That's a lot to eat. I don't know about all that. We're gonna try. I'm trying to get better with my eating habits. I've gotten in the habit of overeating, but I overeat because I'll snack all day and then only eat 1 big meal. We're trying to limit that. It's 9:50. I'm gonna lock in for a couple hours, get as much work done as I possibly can, and then we're gonna meet back around like 12:30 for lunch. Maybe like around 1. Depends on how hungry I am, because that cereal wears off pretty fast, I'm not gonna lie. If I didn't have meetings, we'd find something else to do, but since I am a busy galdem today, you guys are just gonna have to miss me for a little bit. Promise it won't be long though. I'm gonna say hi to my vlog, Kate. Say hi. How y'all doing? 12:49, it's lunchtime. I'm gonna have a healthy lunch today. We have olives, tomatoes, garlic and herb feta, cucumbers for our cucumber salad. Yum. Okay, it is snack time, so I'm going to eat these turkey snack sticks as well as snacking cheese, which is Parmesan. I love Parmesan, I love cheese. I'm excited to try these. This is good. If you could be any cheese, what kind of cheese would you be? Swiss. I'd be Gouda.
I was gonna say no Gouda.
Gouda or Parmesan?
Breaded or like
Smoked.
with corn?
Smoked Gouda.
I'm finding it.
I needed to come outside and connect with nature for a little bit because it's just so warm out here. I don't even know why I'm wearing my jacket. It's just so pretty. Cute. Sun's out. It's just a good day to be outside, and I took my allergy medicine, so it's an even better day to be outside. Perks of living in Florida. Excuse my acne cream on my face because girl, I have a honker coming in, but I got a package and I know what it is and I'm so excited. Guys, I have been on a vintage kick. Stop. Are you kidding me? Okay, she does have a little mark right there. Don't really care about it. Okay, I had to come into my room because my dad came. Oh my God, this looks so crazy. I don't care. Guys, how beautiful is she? Like I said, she has some discoloration here, but with these bags, that's kind of a given. And I got her for a steal. She's so cute. So freaking cute. I'm just obsessed. Okay, we went to dinner and got ice cream afterwards, but I forgot to record. I told y'all I am not good at this, and technically I said spend the day with me, not the night. Yeah, that was a poor excuse. I already know when I said it. I'm actually using my shark's fin to cover my sick cream, but that's besides the point. Anyways, it's 8:49. I'm tired as heck and I'm ready to go to bed. So I've been winding down watching Corey Kenshin, and that's just gonna have to be that. Like, that's just gonna have to be the end of my day. I hope that you guys have a good night. Thanks for spending the day with me. It was really fun. We should do it again sometime. I promise I'll get better at this. I promise. I pinky promise. Don't fret.